Since 1981, Frey Manufacturing Corporation has been a leading manufacturer of traffic signal hardware and signal poles, along with all the parts, pieces, and adaptations that are necessary inside such a vital part of the public transportation industry. This team of highly skilled professionals are dedicated to providing the best possible products and services to their customers worldwide. They have to, especially inside such a public interactive industry. Imagine the stringent quality standards a company such as Frey Manufacturing must adhere to when providing vital public roadway and pedestrian-oriented products, from small rural municipalities to the big city lights of New York City, each with their own needs, wants, and compliance standards. The strengths, tolerances, and higher quality levels must take a front seat well before anything is manufactured. One big player in Frey's quest to maintain their preferred vendor status is their belief and dedication to the CAM software they exclusively use in this highly adaptable manufacturing enterprise. They're convinced to perform so successfully for such a wide customer base, many with their own specific requirements, they need Mastercam.
So here at Frey Manufacturing, we provide traffic signal mounting equipment to the traffic industry. That's including DOTs, subsidies, public works, employees and individuals who need a stoplight or a camera mounted. We also provide products for law enforcement across the United States. And we manufacture all the way down from the hardware that puts the devices onto the poles all the way to the traffic poles themselves. We make sure that all of our equipment is tested at third-party labs or ASHTO/MASH breakaway tested if we're making a pole. And we collaborate with different state universities and engineering firms and organizations to accomplish that.
Manufacturing shops who use Mastercam operating in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North and South Dakota know they are well supported by one of Mastercam's premier dealers, a company called ProtoTek. And the professionals at Frey Manufacturing know it too.
With Mastercam, when we first got it, I needed to have some training in Mastercam, and ProtoTek offered the exact training that I needed, and I was able to take the classes and build the knowledge that I needed to have to be able to make the parts on my computer.
And speaking of Mastercam training, which is available exclusively for ProtoTek customers in this region, the designers and programmers at Frey Manufacturing attest to the training's effectiveness. It's powerful CAM software. The pros at Frey Manufacturing know this too, and feel they need their Mastercam to do the job right every time.
So here we're making a set of jaws for a part that I designed, and this is the part that we are working with. It is a collar for a pipe and a base, and we're just going to add in the jaws in this section, and we're going to machine out the jaws so that we can hold our part, and then we're going to add the machining to the actual part once we have it in our system here. And Mastercam makes it real easy to add tool paths and manipulate the part in the machine to where we want it and where it works best.
Mastercam, coupled with the live technical support and professional training classes from ProtoTek, Frey Manufacturing knows they have a leg up over other manufacturers in this market. They'll not be outmachined. So there you have it, another profile in manufacturing excellence about a strong and dedicated manufacturing shop helped to greatness by the one and only Mastercam. Is it your turn to establish your own greatness? Combining the talents of Frey Manufacturing with the continually growing power of Mastercam are proven examples of how you too can make better parts faster and never run the risk of being outmachined.